Now in this pull code, I'm going to do pull code grill. I'm going to do an extra video just to show you how you can edit in case you made a mistake. If you look at the underneath of this, you realize that the hole is not there. But actually, I did draw it, but it did not appear. So it means there's a problem. So what I'm going to do now is, if you want to go back, just here on the timeline, you can drag that timeline backwards to go and see what happened at that stage. So if I drag that one, if I hold that and drag it, I can go up to where I drew that, which is around there. So now everything is off. And I knew I had it in the sketch, so I'll go in the sketch. In fact, I'll go to the actual rotation, the revolve, and edit that feature. So you can see there when I was picking the sketch, I missed out that part. So all I need to do is add that part again and click OK. So now you can see the hole is there. So if I drag back the timeline now, or forward, then everything is now included. So that's a way of editing a drawing. So you can drag this behind and see your drawing at any level. You see? And then do what you want and then drag it back or forward it to the end, and that will be now your drawing. So it's a very good tool for editing. Thank you.